Ever wondered why we suddenly get hiccups out of nowhere? Let me explain. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, that muscle below your lungs that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts. This forces air into your lungs quickly, and your vocal cords snap shut, creating the classic hiccup sound. Common triggers? Eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even swallowing air. Most hiccups go away on their own, but the longest recorded case lasted 68 years. Imagine hiccuping your whole life. Next time you get hiccups, try holding your breath or drinking water. It helps reset the diaphragm.